Step-by-step analysis of the PAF operation depicted 1. Targeted military infrastructure. The map shows multiple Indian Air Force IAF bases and installations targeted by PAF. These are mostly located in Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Targets include Northern Sector, Srinagar, F. Awanapura, F. Rajari Udhampur, F. Pathankota, F. Ambala, F. Delhi for 100 km from Lok Central Sector, Adampura, F. Halwara, F. Barnala Batinda, F. Sirsa, F. Western Sector, Nalia, F. Bhujan, F. Kandla. Note, A. F equals Airfield or Air Force Station 2. Use of strategic weapons. The lower left corner mentions weapons used in the attack. Hypersonic missiles, TUF. Possibly preemptive unmanned fire, context dependent. Unclear acronym SOHFs. Likely standoff hypersonic firepower or similar LRBS. Possibly long-range vehicles or missiles. Redacted block. Indicates a sensitive or classified weapon system. 3. Warfare strategy. Employ A. Spectrum warfare plus kinetic operations. PAF employ. Spectrum warfare includes electronic warfare EW, cyber, and space-based disruptions. Kinetic ops, physical missile and airstrike speed, integrated domains. The operation is described as a seamless and synchronous utilization of electronic warfare, cyber operations, space domains for operational tactics. A. All-domain offensive. A multi-domain strategy combining various military branches and capabilities. Involved intricate targeting mechanics implying pre-surveyed targets be swift and calibrated. EBAOs. EBAOs equals effect space aerial operations. Swift and focused strikes across entire Indian Western Front. Not random bombing. C. Disruptive. Niche capability. Use of advanced weapons to strike deep inside enemy territory. Bypasses traditional air defense systems. 5. Claimed outcome. Pakistan claims it achieved desired effects, suggesting operational success or mission objective fulfillment.